In the last few days, I've been doing some research on digital products that you can sell on Etsy that have high revenue and high profit margin by using a tool called Everbee Chrome extension. If you're not familiar with Everbee, it is a tool that allows you to review and analyze listings on Etsy to determine products that have high sales and high profit margin. If you are interested in using Everbee, I will leave you a link in the description section below so that you can give it a try. So once you've gotten Everbee Chrome extension, you can just go to Etsy.com, search for different products and different niches that you operate in or wish that you want to operate in. In this case, we're going to look into digital planners. Our goal is to go to Everbee Chrome extension and click on product analytics. Once you do that, you get results of multiple digital planners that are being sold by other vendors. And as you can see here, you have product name on this section, shop name, price that the product is selling at, estimated sales in the last month, estimated revenue in the last month, estimated total sales, and listing reviews. I like to sort this by highest sales per month and highest revenue per month as well. And as you can see here, there is a 2023 digital planner that is selling for $15, and it has sold around 4,800 units, and estimated monthly revenue is $71,000, and estimated total sales is 9,616. And this listing was listed 2 months ago, and they've already generated this much income. So let's just click on it and see what they're actually selling. So this is what they're selling. Digital planner, as you can see, 2023. And it's being sold for almost $9 per unit, so $8.41. So the good thing about digital planners is that they have low production cost. You can basically sell the same planner over and over again without having to pay for a storage fee or having to pay for additional product cost. Once you have the planner made, then you can sell it over and over again. So the profit margin on this one is very high. As you can see, digital planners are very popular on Etsy. If you're looking for digital planners with commercial rights that you can purchase, modify, and sell on Etsy, I will leave you a link in the description section below to a package of multiple digital planners that you can modify, customize, and sell on Etsy. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to check out the links that I left you below in the description section.